Assalamualaikum, I'm Nur Ansaira binti Muhammad Syakri. Today I would like to present about smog. This is a few objectives that will be achieved after this presentation. First of all, we must know about the definition of smog. So, smog is air pollution that reduces visibility. The term smog describes a mist of smoke and fog. Smog is made up of many chemicals including nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide and volatile organic compound. But the two main components of smoke are particulate matter and ground level ozone. There are two types of smoke, which are industrial smoke and photochemical smoke. Industrial smoke is caused by the combustion of coal and oil, and it also known as classical smoke. It requires high humidity and low temperature to form industrial smoke. The main ingredient that form the industrial smoke are sulfur dioxide and carbon. The main ingredient, the sources of the pollution of industrial smoke are burning coal and oil, non-ferrous smelter, and smelter convert metal salt to free metal. The formation of industrial smoke is when the coal or oil are burned. First of all, the coal and oil have sulfur and carbon in them. So, when the coal or oil are going through burning process, they will release sulfur dioxide or carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide. Then, sulfur dioxide will react with the oxygen in atmosphere to form sulfur trioxide. After that, the sulfur trioxide will react with water vapor to form sulfuric acid, and finally react with ammonia in air to form ammonia sulfate. Not all substances will form ammonia sulfate in the end, but all the chemical will be released to the environment as a form of smoke. It also releases a particulate matter like the ash that formed after burning the coal. Photochemical smoke is a type of air pollution produced when sunlight acts upon motor vehicle exhaust gases, creating a brown haze above cities. It requires high temperature. It tends to occur more often in summer because that is when we have the most sunlight, and it will not form at night because at night doesn't have the presence of sunlight. The main ingredient that form photochemical smoke are nitrogen oxide and volatile organic compound. Photochemical smoke only have one source, which is vehicle. Photochemical smoke. This is the formation of photochemical smoke. In the morning, nitrogen is burned or oxidized when released from automobile to form nitric oxide in an oxidation step. Within a few hours, nitric oxide combined with more oxygen in another oxidation reaction to form nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide absorbs sunlight to break down, forming nitric oxide and oxygen radical in a reduction reaction. Oxygen radical react to atmospheric oxygen to form ground level ozone. This ozone is consumed by nitric oxide to produce nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. This reaction is reversible. Nitrogen dioxide react with volatile organic compounds such as hydrocarbon to form secondary pollutants such as peroxyacetyl. There are 4 factors that influence photochemical smoke, which are precipitation, wind, topography, and temperature inversions. Precipitation cleans the air and wind disperses the smoke. The topography of the area, if it valley, the pollution will be trapped, but if it is hill, it will disperse to another area. Then temperature inversion occurs due to a lack of air movement when a layer of dense cool air is trapped beneath a layer of less dense warm air. This causes concentration of air pollution to build up near the ground instead of being dissipated by normal air movement. Smoke can affect human and environment. Firstly, it can affect human health. Some of the major diseases which are harbored by smoke are respiratory disease like asthma, cardiovascular disease, neurological disorder, cancer, infant health, low birth weight, and other problems like eyes irritation and breathing difficulties. Ozone and particulate matter in smoke can cause damaging effects to the environment. Ozone can damage plant cells and inhibit their growth, reducing the amount of carbon dioxide that they take in during photosynthesis. Particulate matters motor plant limiting their exposure to the sun and inhibiting their ability to take in carbon dioxide, therefore decreasing its photosynthesis capabilities. The chemical composition of the particulate matter may also have an effect on the plant and their surrounding soil. This is some of the prevention method. So, as an individual, we can walk, bike, carpool, and use public transportation whenever possible. Take care of car getting regular tune-ups, changing oil on schedule, and inflating tires to the proper level can improve gas mileage and reduce emission. Fuel up during the cooler hour of the day, night, or early morning. Next, government must raise awareness of condition and effect of breathing polluted air, promote pollution-related health check-up, and provide public access to pollution monitoring. In conclusion, firstly, we must prevent the formation of smoke so that it doesn't affect our health and environment. Secondly, we should get more knowledge about the smoke so we know that the smoke can affect our health. That's all from me. Thank you. This is the list of references that used to complete this presentation. That's all from me. Thank you.